Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to use FontDialog with your C# application. So FontDialog, we can use it for changing the font in your text box or in your rich text box. So let's see how it works. First of all, drag and drop a rich text box into your form and take a button into your form. Okay, and I name this, or I change the text of this button as change font. Okay, and now I will double click this button. First of all, I will see the name of this rich text box. This is rich text box 1. Okay, so double click this button, and in here we will write our code. Okay, so first of all we need to declare a file, not a file dialog but a font dialog. So write font dialog and give it a name. I name it as font dialog 1 is equal to new font dialog. Okay, now as always we see that if the font dialog result is okay or not, so we will provide a condition. So write if, and in the not this but this, and bracket closed, and in the if condition we will pass our font dialog name dot show dialog is equal to dialog result dot okay, and then here I haven't provided double equal to, so here like this, and then write and not equal to, so like this, and give string dot string. Yeah, string dot is null or empty, and in the bracket then provide the name of your rich text box, which is rich text box 1 from here, right? So copy it, and inside this bracket pass this rich text box, and then write dot text. It's showing me error because I have provided. So write this if loop here. If font dialog 1 dot show dialog bracket and bracket close is equal to dialog result dot okay, and give it this not equal to sign, string dot is null or empty, and in the bracket provide the name of your rich text box dot text. And now in the if condition we can provide our condition. So we will write here the name of our rich text box, which is the rich text box 1 dot selected selection font is equal to the font dialog name dot font, okay, and bracket close. So you need to write these 3 lines in order to change the font of your rich text box. So now let's try and run the program. And for example, I write some text here, some random text, and I want to change the font size of this text which I select from here. Okay, so and then after selecting this text, I click this font change or change font button, and I can make it bold, I can change its size, and I click OK. And if you can see, its size is changed and it's bold now. Once again, you can make any font with this, like this, and italic bold 16, OK, and it changes the font here. You can also give in this font dialog the color. So if you want to choose color, right now you cannot see any color chooser here, but let's add the color chooser also to our font dialog. So just below your font dialog declaration, you write here, just copy this font dialog dot show color is equal to true. Okay, now when you declare or write something here, you need to also implement it. So once again, copy the rich text box name dot selection color this time. So rich text box dot selection color is equal to, once again, this font dialog name dot color. Okay, so write this code to change the font and the color. So let's see if it works or not. So once again, some text, random text, and when you click this button, or first of all, let's select the text. So for example, I want to change the font and color of this text which I selected. Click this button, I change the font, it's bold and it's 28, and now you can see the color chooser also. This is an addition after your code for color, show color code. So you can change the color now, for example this blue, and click OK, and now it changes the color and the font both. So in this way you can use the font dialog with your C# application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.